Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris at Oz Canopies and 4x4 here. What have we got today? We have got a nice and long XLV, extra long. I don't know what the V stands for. In fact, I don't even know if the XL stands for extra long. But anyway, more importantly, what is going on top of it? A manual roller shutter is going to go on this bad boy today. We're going to get a pair of crossbars. We're going to get a nudge bar and some lights fitted on it as well. The customer is a good friend of ours at Oz Canopies and 4x4, so we're going to make sure that we do this one extra nice. That's a lie. Every single one of them we do extra nice. All right, so other than that, we're going to get into the assembly of it. I'll see you guys at the end.
sing my lullaby. Gonna sing my lullaby. Sing my lullaby. Sing my lullaby. Wanna sing my lullaby. Wanna sing my lullaby. I'm gonna sing my lullaby.
guys, hopefully you enjoyed that assembly and fit video on the Musso, and then also us getting that nudge bar with those massive King's lights fitted to it. If you're wondering why I'm just actually filming this in the nondescript background, it's because we didn't have a chance to actually film the outro on that video. But we've got many more of these videos in the pipeline. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want a roller shutter for your Musso or any of the utes, or if you've got any other dual cab or even sort of long tub sort of ute available, you can grab one at ozcanopies.com.au. Other than that, we will see you guys on the next one.